Does Solution Finish have a new challenger? Hey everybody, it's Nick, Hawk Pro Detailing, where my goal is to make you a better detailer. Now, the last coat has come out with their ceramic trim product, Cera Trim. And I've found it does a great job at restoring trim and also gives you that ceramic property, right? That water beading. I want to show you some testing on this pretty beat up Sprinter van, and you can tell me what you think.
I'm always skeptical when I hear about new trim products, because to be honest with you, how does anything beat Solution Finish? But I don't think Solution Finish has the water beading or the protection that this does. I don't know what any of this is. It's all faded out. I'm just gonna try some of this. It goes on, it's got a nice scent. And it goes on really thick, so a little bit goes a long way. I'm just gonna rub it in here. Super easy to use. They give you this little applicator. And this thing sits outside a lot of the time. It's garage today, but these folks just moved, so they have a garage. It goes on so thick that you could probably let it dwell to get it to really grind in there, but look at the difference. You've got a little bit of sunshine here, and then a shadow. Let me try to move over here, give you a better sense. I mean, check that out. Solution Finish might do that as well. Might be a little bit darker, but again, I don't think they promise the ceramic properties. So I may just wipe this in to give it a little bit more pop. But you can see the crazy difference as I kind of show you in sunlight. Even trim that didn't look that battered, like this right here. Forgive the shaky camera work. I try to do a nice job on these when I'm in the shop, but mobile's mobile, right? Look at this. Oops. Look at that, you guys. You can use Stoner Trim Shine for temporary trim restoration, you know? Like a vinyl spray coating. Meguiar's has one. There's other ones on the market. But this is insane. Can you see that? Compared to this trim, and now this. Then I'll color this in here. It's kind of fun. It's like a coloring book. Oh. Let's give you a better angle. How about that, right? Oh man, I am so impressed with this product. I've even used it on battered work trucks. I'll put a link to that video above. If you just need to restore nasty interior stuff that is basically beyond repair. And look at how thick this goes on. Like, you've got to wipe it in to really get it even. And even then I've got excess product that I could work in on the rest of the vehicle. So this feels real sticky and tacky, which I feel like means it's gonna do its job. Let's try just wiping this, and then it gets real smooth and like just faded and dead. Whereas I feel like there's substance here. I wonder if there is a cure time, I'm not exactly sure. Let's fill the rest of this wheel in though. Check out how nasty that is. Look at that. Goes on nice and thick. Wipe it down. And now that just pops. Woo! Look at what a tone setter it is when your trim is totally dialed in. This is the faded bumper trim, and that's not a perfect even line. I'm just getting it done today on a mobile job. But man, look at that difference. This truck, this van, is about to pop. I do want to try kind of a 50-50 here and see if there are any properties that you think of when it comes to ceramic, right? Because you're like, hey, solution finish will darken my trim. It's a industry standard. It's legendary. You can't go wrong with it. I'll make sure application is good here. You could even do an alcohol IPA prep spray first to ensure maximum adhesion, which I probably should have done. I'm just having fun on a customer's vehicle here. I've let this cure for, I don't know, a half an hour. Because with a ceramic product, I know there is curing time. Maybe it needs longer than that. Maybe it doesn't need any curing time at all. This side has Cera Trim from the last coat on it. That side's untreated. Let's just see. Pretty decent water beading. It's interesting because those beads aren't super tight, but that's plastic for you. And that beads a little bit more, right? You can see those beads are very tight. And that's definitely flatter. So, let's try it again. The water runs away pretty well. Let's see here. Yeah, it's pretty flat. So anyway, pretty interesting. Yeah, definitely more water beading here. I love this product, guys, and I hope you will too.